Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Etsy seller application. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Etsy seller application, firstly open your Etsy application. The home page of Etsy application will appear on the screen. Click on the human icon at the bottom right side of the screen. On the next page, tap on Get the Etsy seller application. It will direct you to the Play Store. To download the Etsy seller application, tap on an Install button right next to the application. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, tap on an Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Etsy seller app in no time. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.